May arrives with a soft whisper. The world slows down, inviting us to find peace in the quiet moments. We begin with a pause on Labor Day. It's not just a holiday, it's a moment to honor our hard work and let our souls truly rest after a long journey. As the lingering breath of springtime stays with us, we see the late flowers reach their full blossom. They remind us that beauty takes time and we will all bloom when our season comes. In the warmth of these days, our hearts turn toward Mother's Day. A simple thank you or a quiet thought for the one who gave us everything. This may you find the stillness to embrace your own growth.